Chicken Encyclopedia, page 66. Coliform bacteria. C. Escherichia coli. Color. Not just the appearance of the chicken's visible plumage, but also the color of the underfluff and the skin underlying the plumage, as well as the shanks, toes, comb, earlobe, eye, and skin surrounding the eye. Each standardized breed is unique in the color combination of its various parts. Colored egg. A blue or green egg, such as is produced by an Araucana, or Easter egger. Color sexing. Taking advantage of the sex-link gene that controls feather color. For instance, barred Plymouth Rock chicks all look pretty much alike. Black with white spots on the head, but the spots of the cockerel's heads tend to be irregular or scattered, while the pullet's spots are more compact and round. Color sexing is commonly used to produce hybrid brown egg layers known as black sex links, which take advantage of the barred rock's head spots by breeding them only on cockerels, and red sex links, which uses other color factors to distinguish cockerels from pullets. Comb. A fleshy crown-like protrusion on top of a chicken's head, usually more prominent in cocks than in hens. Most breeds have bright red combs. See Brights, Sumatras, and some modern games have purplish combs, and a Silkie's comb is so dark it's nearly black. Comb undesirable. A comb that significantly deviates from the standard for the breed. Locked comb is desirable in New Hampshire and Mediterranean hens, but undesirable in most other breeds. Always undesirable are hollow comb, inverted spike, side sprig, split comb, telescope comb, thumb marks, and twisted comb. Commercial ration. Pre-packaged chicken feed intended to provide all of a chicken's nutritional needs at various stages of life and life cycle. Rations for, that was the end of the page. Here's a picture of the comb anatomy. A single left. It shows the points on the top and the blade at the very end. On this one, this is a rose, which is just a straight spike. Not a bunch of little combs like that one has, but a straight pointy spike. Down here is undesirable combs. This guy, it's combed over. It looks like he's combing his hair to the side. And then this one, I don't know why that one's kind of undesirable. Just, it's gigantic. Page 67. Comb styles. Combs come in many styles, but not everyone agrees on how many styles exist or what each style is called. The single comb is by far the most common style. Other styles include buttercup, carnation, cushion, pea, rose, strawberry, V, and walnut combs. Most breeds are characterized by a specific comb style. Ancona, Dorking, Leghorn, Minorca, Nankin, Rhode Island Red, and Rhode Island White are exemptions. These breeds have both single comb and rose comb varieties. Here is a picture of a buttercup comb. Looks like kind of like a little crown, honestly, on top of the head. Here's a picture of a pea. That's an ugly looking one. That one looks like a brain, like an exposed brain with the little spike at the end. That's what the pea is. Here is a cushion. That one looks like smashed, kind of like a booger or something, like splattered on the beak. Carnation looks cool. That's a big pointy point with a lot of protruding points. Kind of a spiked haircut looking one, Carnation. Here is a rose non-spiked. Pretty much nothing on it, just real flat trimmed down. Here is a rose spiked, pretty much like what we see on the other page. No combs, just a straight point. And here's a single. The single is your like traditional looking comb. It's got like 6 little spikes. Here is a walnut. A walnut almost doesn't have anything. It looks like it's just part of the beak with nothing on top. Wow. This one has 2 little horns, and that's it. That's called the V because it looks like a V. I can see that. It looks like 2 little horns, but the letter V. And then here's a strawberry. That's an ugly one. That looks like a pea. It has no point. It has no combs at all. It's just a kind of like a pea stuck on top of the beak.